Hi, we're Chris and Julie from Davis Family Travels.
The kids are upstairs. They say hi.
So we just wanted to do a quick channel update about, for 2024, sort of a life update, I guess, for the two of us. Let's see, so if you've been following along, we've been to a lot of places, most of which are not in the U.S., which, spoiler alert, we're in the U.S. But where are some of them places we've been to?
So we started in Bangkok, Thailand. From there we went to Phuket, Thailand. Then we went to Pattaya, Thailand. While we were in Pattaya, we had an afternoon misadventure in Koh Larn, Thailand. Then from Pattaya, we went to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Then we went to Penang, Malaysia, and that's the first time we'd stayed more than a few days or a week in one place. We stayed there for about 5 weeks. Then we went to Langkawi, Malaysia. From there, we went back to Bangkok. Then we went to Chiang Mai, Thailand. Then Chiang Rai, Thailand. And we did a little bit of a road trip around northern Thailand in that area. Then we went from Chiang Mai, Thailand, we went to Da Nang, Vietnam. Then we went to Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam.
And from Ho Chi Minh City, we went to Manila, Philippines. And then while we were there, we stayed in Manila proper, Quezon City, and Makati. We went to BGC a couple times, we didn't stay there. From Manila, we flew to the island of Leyte into Tacloban and stayed overnight in Tacloban, then Ormoc as part of our Leyte road trip. And then we had another long stay in Bai Bai City for another 5 or 6 weeks. From there, we went back to Bangkok again, and from Bangkok to Pattaya, and then had another long stay there, about 6 weeks. And then I stayed, Julie and the kids came back to America, and I stayed in Pattaya another 6 weeks. Then went to Luang Prabang, Laos, Nong Kiao, and Paku, and I got to check off a couple of bucket list items like Huang Si Falls and the viewpoint, or one of the viewpoints in Nong Kiao. So yeah, and now we're back in South Carolina, which is where we're originally from.
We learned a few things while we were traveling.
Yes, so we learned that we like traveling, but we also like having a routine. Better yet, the kids thrive better when they have a routine.
So ideally, in the future, we would have them in a school for part of the year and traveling for the other part of the year.
The downside to that is that international schools are prohibitively expensive, about $25,000 per kid per year for most of them in Thailand and the Philippines.
So we came back to America to regroup and make a plan for our future.
Make a better long-term plan, because we'll be eligible for retirement visas in a couple of countries. Not a lot sooner than we want to be, I think, about 5 years. So that's our new target. While we're here, we have been, it's been about 8 months or 10 months. I came back to America on June 1st, and it's the end of February 2024 right now, last week of February. We still do a lot of things. We stay active. We try to go somewhere every weekend. In the time we've been back, we've probably got 30 or 35 vlogs worth of stuff recorded on a hard drive, ready to be edited.
We also have about 20 or so vlogs from Asia that we never put out, that we'll put in once a month or so.
Yeah, roughly that. And we also are going to do some tips and tricks
on traveling.
On traveling, and maybe.
So here's what we like. We like making the videos to look back on.
Yes.
We like traveling, and we like our life right here, right now.
Yes.
So we're going to share it.
Yes, and we will continue sharing. The next big thing we got coming up is we're going to try to live stream the total solar eclipse in April. I think parts of Mexico and the middle of the U.S., it's going to go right through Texas, Oklahoma, Ohio, all those areas, but we're going to be somewhere in one of those places, or in a place where the eclipse is, and we're going to try to live stream it. We have no idea how to do that, so it may flop, but who knows. I think long term we're going to be traveling internationally, certainly again, but for now we're traveling just within the US. We do have a drone video channel. I'll put the link in the pinned comment. Feel free to go over there, subscribe, And if you like drone videos, if not, don't do that, of course. And Julie also has an at-home business that we will probably talk more about in the future, not right now.
And share.
Yeah, we'll share more in the future.
Because it's going pretty well. So
Yes.
I'm glad for that.
Yes. That's all right.
That's all.
That's all right. Hopefully the traffic's not too loud and the sun's not too harsh on Julie's pale face. Anyway, thank you for watching.
We appreciate it.
Bye.
Continue to watch as well.
We
if
do
you
appreciate it. We really do.